What is going on? I'm Styler, and in this video we will have a look on a power bank from Aukey. We see it here, and this one is called the PB-A1A. You can see here the Aukey logo. We see it's a 3300 mAh external battery charger, and you also notice here the website from Aukey, but you can also buy and order this on Amazon. So let's have a look here. We have some specifications here. We see the input and output. So let's see what we have here. Let's have a look on it here. And let me just put this aside. Okay, so first of all we got here a micro USB cable to charge the power bank. We also got here to carry around the power bank, it seems. Nice and soft. So here we have the power bank. We see the Aukey logo. Let's see here, we have the user manual in English. Let's remove the plastic here and have a closer look. So I must say it is pretty heavy in the hand. For its size, it is small, but you feel the weight in the hand. Let's have a closer look here. Very nice design, rounded corners. So here we have the USB port, micro USB port. I think this is maybe a small LED. See the specifications here. This side is just plain, and the same here with the bottom. We have small screws here. Okay. And these are suction cups. Actually, I think you maybe can attach this to the power bank. Yeah. And then you can, for example, attach this to something else. Let me connect it to a phone here. And we can see it begins to charge. And we also see here that this turns green as soon as it starts to charge. And I believe I read that this will turn red when the power bank is going to be empty, and blue when it stops to charge the phone when the phone is full. So you can use this small LED indicator to see the status of the power bank. So that's nice. So the Aukey PB-A1A can be used for nearly any USB charged device with DC 5V input, and some may ask how long it will take to fully charge the power bank again, and according to the user manual it will take about 4 hours to fully charge the external battery, because the input of the PB-A1A is 1000 mAh. And the capacity is 3300 mAh. So with these infos you can actually calculate the charging time, and totally this will be about 3.3 hours. However, there will also be some power wasted when the voltage is increased, so it may need more than 3 hours to charge the power bank fully, so that's why it says around 4 hours. So to the question, how fast is the power bank to charge my device? Well, The output and also the input in this power bank is on 1 ampere, so it will actually charge the device in the same speed than a normal charger with 1 ampere. And it also of course depends on the device, how fast or how many ampere the device allows to be charged with. So I will be using this power bank now for some weeks and see how it does and performs, and then I maybe will update the info down below in the video description, so remember to check it out. And if you have any questions regarding the power bank, please comment below, please subscribe to my channel, please like the video. Thanks for watching, see ya.